Hey Songbird, Kerri from the SongbbirdTree.com, where we get grounded, take flight and sing. Now welcome to day 11 of your 21-day journey to your new voice. Today's going to be a little bit different. I'm actually going to give you an exercise to really release tension in the body. If you've watched my videos before, you've probably heard me say this a lot of times because I tend to harp on about this, and that is tense muscles will absorb your sound. And the thing is, we live in a fast-paced world and it's almost impossible to never be tense. Like, I feel like I'm always tense. But you know, for singers, it really poses a problem because if you're like tense, and especially in the shoulders and the neck and your jaw and actually anywhere in your body, it's going to directly affect your voice. You're actually going to find that it's harder to sing freer. So basically, when your body is free of tension, that's really going to help to free up your voice as well. So it's super important that we actually have, tension-free bodies in order to really let, our voices really run free and come out properly the way they should. So I'm going to give you an actual physical exercise that's going to really help release it. And for me, this has been such a game changer. And I actually learned this from Yoga with Adriene. So for those of you who do not know, Yoga with Adriene is this amazing yoga teacher online on YouTube as well. So I'd love for you to go check her out if you haven't already. And yoga is honestly so good for singers. Like, it's just so good to be able to stretch and get rid of tension. I'm actually pretty much a yoga addict now. I actually do yoga every single day and I love it, and it really does help to get rid of tension. Anyway, that's a side note. But there's this one exercise that I found from Yoga with Adriene which I absolutely love so much, and I've been doing a lot, and I've been teaching my students. I've been like warming up with groups of singers on this, and everyone loves it. So normally you would do this standing up, but I'm actually sitting down. You can do it sitting down as well. So this is what it's actually, I'm calling this the release exercise. Okay, so we're talking about releasing tension. So what you want to do, the first thing is you want to stretch up so whether you're sitting or standing, it doesn't matter. You stretch up your arms to the sky, right? And when you're stretching to the sky, you're really thinking about lengthening your body. You're really thinking about your spine and your neck being super duper long, okay? And as you actually lift your hands up, right, you're going to breathe in as well. So just through your nose or through whatever's comfortable, okay? And then you hold the breath for about a second or two, and then you're going to release the breath as you release your arms as well, and you're going to come down as if you're going like skiing. So you're going to go like that. Okay, so what I've done is I've got my arms up here, and then I've bring them, like basically flicked them out to the side as if I'm going skiing. Does that make sense? I really hope it does. Okay, so you go up, breathe in, and then out. And as you can see, when I flick my arms back, I also let the breath go really loudly. So I go, or you could do a whatever you want, okay? Whatever feels good for you, you do that. But the point is, you're going to fill up with air, and then you're just going to release it all out, okay? So let's try that again together. And up, and out, 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 and up, and out. 3 more, up. Now, 2, up, out, and last one, and out. See, when I do that, especially first thing in the morning, it's like, it's the best wake-up call for your body ever. It really is. It's like, when you wake up and it's early and you're really tired and everything, if that exercise doesn't wake you up, I honestly don't know what will. Okay, but the great thing about it is that it wakes you up, it gets the blood pumping around the body, which is really, really good for singing. But also, it just sort of activates your breath as well in a really powerful way, getting it ready, because of course we all know that breathing properly is so important for singing. So that just helps to activate the breath, and then also to release. So you're lengthening your body as you come up and breathe in, but then you're sort of going, I'm letting everything go. So you're letting all the tiredness go, you're letting all the tension go, you're letting all the anxiety go, you're letting all the nervousness go, whatever. Like, this is a really good one to do before a performance as well, just to get you in that right place. So there you go. There is my bite-sized little tip for you today. Something that you could do every day to just, get rid of the tension in the body. so that your tense muscles don't absorb your sound and instead you can sing freely, and really set yourself up for greatness when it comes before you start vocalizing, before you start warming up, before you start singing. So there you go. Give it a try, okay? And let me know how you go. Now, if you're super keen and you just really want to know, how can I warm up perfectly every day? I've got the best resource for you, Songbird. Just go to my website at the link below and you can go and download my ultimate vocal warm-up guide. So go there now to get that. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 12 of 21 days to your new voice. I'll see you then. Bye.